How to sync your Facebook profile onto Android device. What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily sync your Facebook profile on your Android device. So the very first thing you want to do here is simply go ahead and open up Facebook, make sure that you're logged into the account. If you're logged in already on your account, then that probably means that all of your profile settings are already synced to your Android device. But if you are unsure that your Facebook account is synced or not, to check that, open up your settings. Now from your settings menu, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find accounts and backups. Tap on it. Now it might be different depending on which Android device you have, but you basically have to find your account section. You can also use the search icon to find it. I'll just go ahead and now tap on Manage Account. So from Account and Backup, tap on Manage Accounts. And now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should see an option to add account. And then you also have the option to auto sync data. If you turn this off, it's not going to be auto synced. So what I'm going to do is just turn it on. And then from here, you can just go ahead and tap on Add Account. Once you are here, you can select Facebook. And once you select Facebook, your account should be added. So if you have logged into any one of your accounts, it will be added immediately. And if you've already synced your account, it's going to take you back just like that. That's how you basically sync your Facebook profile to your Android device. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.